that you learn about branches. All right. First of all, let's find out what branches are, right? Let me give you an example. I want you to imagine that we're building this huge course, right? And we have thousands of lines of code, a lot of features added, and all of a sudden, one of our developer friends, tell us, "Hey, listen, Edwin and Peter, we have a new feature that we want to implement to the project, but we don't want to sacrifice the main files, right?" For something like that, well, we have to create a branch. A branch will have the same files as the main branch, but it will, when you save a file in that branch, it will not affect the other branches. All right, you will not be able to see those files in action in that main branch. So your main branch is safe. So we can have different branches that are all the same, and when you make a change in one, it will not affect the other. Now, when you're done making your categories or making your new feature in one of the branches and you are ready to merge it with the next branch, you can do that. You can merge that branch. You can put it together with the main branch. That way, your feature will be implemented. All right, but you can test things out in that extra branch. So now I gave you this little explanation, but let me actually show you how it works. All right. So for that, I'm gonna make this big here, and we're gonna remove the main git file here, the .git file. That's the one that gets initialized. That's how Git keeps track of things. All right. So let's remove that, and let's remove everything on this directory with an asterisk. Oops. Actually, we don't have any directories there. I thought we did have a directory. Okay, let's clear things out. Override a file, yes. Permission denied. Oops. Let's go to desktop real quick. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. All right, so let's do this. I got some files here. I don't got any files anymore. All right, cool. I was able to delete all that. All right, so I have this empty folder, and if that confused you what I just did there, don't worry about it. Just go to your main file and delete everything there, okay? So I just want to, but make sure that you delete that .git file as well. All right, get started. There's nothing there. Let's clear everything again. So we have a really empty folder right here. And if you do git status, there's nothing there. There's no git. Let's initialize it. So now we initialize git and we do git status. You can see right here that it says on branch master. All right. So that's the default branch that it creates automatically. We can create different branches. But before we do that, let's create a file in this branch called index.html. All right. Let's add it. Git add. All right. Let's commit it. And we're going to say my initial commit. All right. Git log. We should have one log, and that's correct. Now let's create a new branch. Remember what I told you, a new branch is just basically a duplicate of a project. But when you make changes there or you make changes in the here, they don't affect each other. So let's say git checkout B, so that way I can get switched to the new branch, and let's name the branch categories feature, or let's just name it new category, like this, just to make it easy. All right, so now we are at a new branch, and that we can verify. Get status, you can see that it says on branch new category. So here, if I do git log, we still have that commit from that first branch on master. All right, because remember we have the same files. But now if I do touch post.php or category.php, all right, and I add this and I make a new commit to it, new category feature added. All right, and then I'll switch to the other branch, and this is how we switch: get checkout and master. Let's clear things out. If I do get status, I am on master branch, right? But look what happens if I do get log. We only have one commit. What happened to the other commit that we created for category? Well, it's in the other branch. So we do get checkout, and new category was the other branch, right? We are at the other branch now. We switch to a new branch, and let's clear things out so you can see. If we do get log here, we have two commits. So I hope you see how it works. Okay, super simple, all right, but super powerful at the same time. We can have multi-dimensional levels, of the same project with many different features that have not been added. All right, but at the end, once we make sure, let's say for example, we want to add this new branch, right? Because right here, this new category branch has a new commit. It has a new feature that we have not added to our master branch. Let's say we want to add that feature. We're ready. We tested this thing out in our project. It works good. We want to commit it. We want to merge it. This is how you say it. Merge it to the main, to the master branch. So if we go to the master branch right now, we do get checkout master. All right, we can do clear. We can see that we don't have anything there, right? I mean, if we do get log, we don't have the other commit, right? The category commit. So if we want that feature merged here, all we have to do is from this master branch, we can say get merge that new category branch here. Enter. All right, and now if I do clear get status, we're still on master branch, but if I do get log, we have that new category branch merged with this one. So now our main project has a new feature implemented that we were trying in another branch without affecting our main branch for I don't know how many months, right? So you see the power of this? So not only can you track your files in one branch, but you can have unlimited branches, all right, with different code saved and recorded, all right, different code that you still have not applied to your main branch, to your main project. And when you're ready to deploy those changes, you can do a merge. All right, anyway, don't get too overwhelmed on this. You're gonna learn this more and more as you practice. All right, that's the only way that you're gonna learn this stuff: practicing, practicing, practicing. All right, so now we have this new branch that we don't need anymore, right? The new category branch. We could do get branch D, and we do category, I believe. There we go, and deleted branch. All right, so we now deleted that branch since we don't need it anymore. We merge it with this one, and it's over. Anyway, I hope this couple lectures have been very instructional for you, have been very good, give you the knowledge you need for Git. Now we're going to jump into GitHub and learn how to push our projects there. And that's going to be pretty fun because that's where you're going to see the power of this Git version control software. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lectures.